Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do some cookies that are for not the faint of heart, but people who like it a little bit more complicated. So you want to start out with some flour in a bowl and you want to sift it. Then you want to add some baking soda and some sugar, and all the measurements are down below. You want to mix that a little bit and then create a little hole in the middle. And you want to crack your egg into that and add your butter and flakes. You also want to add some vanilla extract, and then you're ready to knead that dough. And when your dough is done, you're ready to put that in the fridge for 1 hour. Then you want to knead it again and roll it out with some flour and a baking roll. And then you want to go ahead and cut out your little cookies. And I would recommend you use this same shape of cookie cutter for all of them. Now you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. And let those cool down. Next up, you want to take your marzipan with some powdered sugar and knead that together. Now you want to roll out the marzipan quite thinly. And then again, use the same cookie cutter to cut out little pieces. Now you want to take 2 cookies and 1 layer of marzipan and put those together. You want to use the bottoms of the cookies to press them together like that. Now use some powdered sugar, some rum flavor, and a little bit of water to get a good mixture for your glaze. This is a bit of trial and error because you don't want it to be too liquidy. Then you want to add a good amount of the glaze to all the sides of the cookies and stick a almond or a hazelnut right on top. And let those dry out and you're ready to enjoy. Those are super delicious, I promise. They are a bit of work, but they taste so great. So I hope you try them, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye guys!